Hello and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are today's top stories. Prasar Bharati honoured receives Hockey India Jamanlal Sharma Award 2024 for its invaluable contribution to hockey. Prime Minister Narendra Modi commends RBI. Reserve Bank of India wins Digital Transformation Award 2025 for innovative digital initiatives. Conrad Sangma has been re-elected as the NPP President. Meghalaya's Chief Minister to lead the party for the next 3 years. Ancient shark teeth uncovered. Geologists discover Miocene-era shark teeth in Meghalaya, published in Arabian Journal of Geosciences. And Shillong Lajong FC triumph in Shillong Premier League, defeat Maulai SC 2-1 with goals from Abe Chetri and Sam Shaprang Lato. The news in detail. Prasar Bharati has been honoured with the Hockey India Jamanlal Sharma Award for Invaluable Contribution 2024 in New Delhi at the Hockey India 7th Annual Awards 2024. The award marks Prasar Bharati's tireless efforts in promoting and broadcasting hockey across the nation. At the function, Hockey India also felicitated members of the victorious 1975 World Cup squad with the Hockey India Major Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award, along with a cash prize of 50 lakh rupees.
Make hockey reach every nook and corner of this country. You know, as Mr. Jitin Prasad was saying, there is a need for a Grameen Hockey League. And we at Prasar Bharati, through Doordarshan and our new OTT network, that is Waves, platform Waves, we are trying to make hockey reach every nook and corner of the country to, encourage not only the players, but also give them honor and respect.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today commended the Reserve Bank of India for being selected for the Digital Transformation Award 2025 by Central Banking, London, UK. In a social media post, Modi said this accomplishment reflects an emphasis towards innovation and efficiency in governance. He added that digital innovation continues to strengthen India's financial ecosystem and empower countless lives. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has been re-elected as the National President of the National People's Party, or the NPP, for the 2025-28 tenure. This unopposed re-election took place at the Constitutional Club of India in New Delhi. Sangma expressed his gratitude to the party members for reaffirming their trust in his leadership. He also announced that members of the National Committee for 2025-28 would be announced shortly. Other key positions were also filled, with Pakna Bage being elected as the General Secretary Organization and Dr. Mehtab Agedok Sangma re-elected as the National Treasurer. Additionally, James K. Sangma has been recommended for the position of National Working President.
I very humbly accept this responsibility that has been given to me to continue to work and to serve as the President of the National People's Party. I also would like to congratulate the newly elected General Secretary Organization, Mr. Bage, who again has been somebody who has worked very closely with us for many years. Mr. Bage is a former cabinet minister for the government of Arunachal and MLA, and of course he was the working president of the state unit of Arunachal Pradesh for a very long time. And while our president of course was there, but he was also the candidate, and it was Mr. Bage who had to roam and work as the working president and conduct the campaign for all the other candidates throughout Arunachal Pradesh. So,
geologists from the Geological Survey of India have discovered shark teeth from the Miocene era in South Garo Hills district of Meghalaya. The research done by Bashisha Yangrai and KB Vinod Kumar was published in the Arabian Journal of Geosciences, documents shark teeth from families like mackerel sharks, weasel sharks, requiem sharks and hammerhead sharks. The findings provide new insights into shark diversity and the paleo environment of the Miocene sediments in Meghalaya, revealing a shallow marine near-shore coastal environment connected to the open sea. A new organization called the Ribhoy Commercial Pickup Owners Drivers Association, or the RBC-PODA, was officially informed on Saturday during a meeting held at PNS Auto Shop in Nongpor. The association aims to safeguard the welfare of commercial pickup vehicle drivers and owners operating in the district. During the meeting, the members elected their office bearers, with Stanwell Mani assuming the role of president and Raplang Lingdok Nonglait as the vice president. Other key positions include Bitdor Pator as general secretary, Taybor Papeng as assistant general secretary, and Sani Karnayor as finance secretary. The formation of the RBC-PODA is seen as a significant step toward addressing the concerns of commercial pickup drivers and owners in Ribhoy.
Kan kazungi bat karai ka bangi shem hakan ngasi ka long ba ngikwa bala long ka bala bat ingai scam bakan long ka job ba ya kan ka asron kazungi in bo ya ka min pelong no ya ka ban register ya kan ka asron kazungi aki bo jong ka an te ingai scam bakan ka ching sumo kazungi ru kan long ka job bangila ban register ya kan ka asron kazungi te hadin bangila ban register ya kan ka asron kazungi insa tray kamha na kikam ya kikam ki bangin sadai ban tray but ikermen scam ba lengba jang ka association kan long ka jing job kum kadak ban ya kentiu lang ha ka kamai ka ji but ha ki wei ki bentang jong ka jing im jang.
NASA astronauts Anne McLean and Nicole Ayers, along with Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Takuya Onishi and Roscosmos cosmonaut Kirill Peskov, entered the International Space Station, or the ISS, shortly after opening the hatches between the space station and the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft at 11:05 a.m. Indian time. They were welcomed by the Expedition 72 crew, including NASA astronauts Indian-American Sunita Williams, Nick Hague, Don Petit and Butch Wilmore, as well as Roscosmos cosmonauts Alexander Gorbunov, Alexei Ovchinin and Ivan Wagner. The Indian football team has arrived in Shillong for a friendly match against the Maldives and have been preparing well by holding a training session at the JN Stadium in Polo, Shillong on Saturday. According to the schedule, India will play a friendly against Maldives on March 19, 2025. After that, India will have to prepare for the AFC Asian Cup qualifier against Bangladesh. Earlier, the assistant coach of the Indian football team, Mahesh Gawali, arrived in Shillong to inspect the JN Stadium in the presence of Meghalaya Football Association officials led by the Vice President. The Ashmita Boxing City League was successfully organized in Nongpor, Meghalaya to promote women's participation in sports. The one-day boxing tournament held at the NSCA Indoor Hall featured young female boxers showcasing their talents. The event was graced by renowned arm wrestler Miss Margaret Pathau and officials from the sports department. Exhibition matches for male participants were also held. The league is part of the Khelo India initiative, which aims to promote sports among women and youth. As part of promoting sports among women, the Office of the District Sports Officer, West Khasi Hills District, organized the Ashmita Open Football City League 2025 yesterday at the St. Thomas High Secondary School, Khelo India Centre in Mairang. The Ashmita League, which was initiated in 2021, aims to promote women's participation in sports. 4 teams participated, with young SSCC emerging victorious via a 2-0 win over St. Thomas Academy. The event was attended by the District Sports Officer of West Khasiel's Balarina Siem, President of Pendang Umyong District Sports Association, female football players and other invitees. Shillong Lajong FC staged a remarkable comeback to defeat MEGHALAYA SC 2-1 in the OC Blue Shillong Premier League 2024 final, securing their 5th title. Abe Chetri and Sam Shaprang Lato scored for Lajong, while Daman Bhalang Khain scored a late penalty for MEGHALAYA. Despite finishing level on points, Lajong's superior head-to-head record and goal difference earned them the title. The chief guest, Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Shakliar Warjri, presented the trophies and cheques. The minister officially closed the 2024 season by lowering the SSA flag.
Ayo begitu rentak lang ketika Sanmi nak kebentar ketika Shillong Premier League season 24-25. Nah, ada jumlah yang bro api di team kata mulai berkumpul ke Shillong Lajong. Di nakalian Lajong haru dengan sumtani kepuar dengan di paiba kita kami Islam di masuai tang kita di Philippine Kickbox dengan yo man congratulate nak kebentar ke Shillong Lajong. Kawayo ia kabakan ra ia kanam job jong gani ka Shillong Premier League 24-25. Kami ini penting kemudian nak beli paro di tempat Shillong Sports Association buat kunjung ia di official satu pasport. Kami ini penting kemudian
And now for the weather. First, let's look at the weather report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 35 degrees Celsius, with relative humidity of 87%. In Shillong, the minimum temperature was 15.6 degrees Celsius, while the maximum temperature was 25.6 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 67%. Meanwhile, in Juwai, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius, with the maximum temperature of 24 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 72%. The forecast in Tura and Juwai indicate that dry weather is likely to occur at most places, while in Shillong, light to moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. And now for a quick recap of today's headlines. Prasar Bharati honoured receives Hockey India Jamanlal Sharma Award 2024 for its invaluable contribution to hockey. Prime Minister Narendra Modi commends the RBI. Reserve Bank of India wins Digital Transformation Award 2025 for innovative digital initiatives. Conrad Sangma has been re-elected as the NPP President, Meghalaya's Chief Minister, to lead the party for the next 3 years. Ancient shark teeth uncovered. Geologists discover Miocene-era shark teeth in Meghalaya, published in Arabian Journal of Geosciences. And Shillong Lajong FC triumph in the Shillong Premier League, defeating MEGHALAYA SC 2-1 with goals from Abe Chetri and Sam Shaprang Lato. That brings us to the end of today's news edition. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.